We'll start today's video by looking at the exterior of the car, the unique body lines and styling that give this car its unmistakable presence. Next, we'll step inside the car to explore the interior components. After that, we'll go for a test drive so you too can see, hear and feel the thrill from behind the wheel.
Arthur, she is gorgeous, my friend. Give us some gas for me, sir. Sir, I gotta hand it to you.
Yeah.
This thing is beautiful. Tell me what you've got here.
It's a 1970 Pontiac GTO Convertible.
And how long have you had this?
Since 1973.
No. Almost all her life.
Yeah, I'm second owner.
Who was the first owner, do you know?
Oh, I don't know. He was a salesman.
Okay.
No, he was not a salesman. He was a lawyer.
All
And he
right.
traded in. He leased it and traded in.
Oh my God. Is this more or less the original condition of the
Yeah,
car?
oh yeah, it's original. Well, no, I had a body off restoration.
You did, hey?
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Wow. But the color and everything
Color's
was...
all identical, yeah.
Oh my. You know you've got something very special here,
Well,
sir.
that's why I won't part with it. You know?
At any price, right?
Yeah.
Well, so where did you find the car? Right here in Ontario?
Oh yeah, Roy Foss dealership on Yonge Street, Yonge and Steeles.
No way.
Yeah.
Wow. I remember
I was
that
driving around
dealership.
looking for a convertible.
Uh-huh.
But I was dealing on a Cutlass convertible.
Oh.
And I couldn't make the deal, so I found this one by mistake, by accident.
An unlucky accident at that.
Yeah.
Oh my, Arthur. You know what? You forget how long these cars are. It's a pretty long car.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You've had this since 1973.
That's correct, yeah.
I mean, that's what, 50 plus years, 53 years, give and
Yeah.
take. That's a hell of a long time.
Yeah. I refused to part with it.
So did it get to the point where it was like, why did you do the full body restoration? Like what was starting to go?
I had in the I only drove it for 9 years, and then I parked it in the garage, which I should have never done. And I sat there for over 30 years.
Oh no. Ah, okay.
And then the wife and I split up. I said, oh, I'm going to get this car fixed.
Okay. So something good came out of that. I
Yeah.
suppose it gave you time for your car.
Yeah.
My oh my. So why was it so bad that it was sitting in a garage as opposed to outside?
The underneath, when you're on concrete, the underneath of the car gets all rusted out.
Because of the moisture and
Moisture and
everything
everything,
else.
yeah.
How about that? It is.
So I had to get the body. I got the body off and restored and put back together again.
And everything we see here, like this is out of the factory, you would have received one driver's side, one passenger mirror, or were these options?
No, these were the same. The only difference was the tachometer I added,
Oh, that is lovely. Okay.
and
so,
then the spoiler as well. That's an option.
so out of the factory, it didn't come with those two
No.
things. Okay. But
Everything
I like
else
these.
is a factory.
Yes.
Power windows, everything.
And this interior must have been redone as well.
Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah. That was all complete. So the original color, everything was original.
Like who did the interior for you?
The guy in Port Perry. I know he's passed away since.
Oh my gosh. Because that is, as you know, it's hard to find craftsmen these days, and it just takes a special person to do that.
Yeah.
Tell me about your rims. These are aftermarket.
They're copies of the original.
Okay.
The original 14-inch, these are 17-inch, and they're copies. And the original, they had a rim coming off, and then, you know, I didn't like them. This is all one piece.
What is the name of this color? I want to call it banana yellow or something.
No,
silly.
Sierra yellow.
Sierra yellow.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Arthur. Wow, this is something else.
Yeah.
And the on the back of the car it says GTO.
Yeah.
But there's never actually a like any kind of an emblem or anything like that on the
No,
original
no,
car.
that's the way it comes.
That is it.
That sticker.
And it always had...
And on the front, 2 front fenders.
Okay, but it always had the 4 pipes coming out as well?
Yeah, that's all original too. Original style.
And I know you've got the roof on this, the convertible top, but is that electric or is that
electric,
hydraulic?
yeah.
Okay. The car looks brand new. Like, you've done a fantastic job restoring it.
Yeah.
How long ago did you have it painted?
I just won an award with this.
Oh, quite rightly. Okay, what did you win?
For the interior, the best interior, and I got $250 and a plaque.
Excellent. And where was that? Where did you win that?
That was in Georgetown.
Okay.
Yeah, Georgetown the fair.
All right. Well, you deserved it, sir. So who did the final paint on this?
A young guy in Arthur, Ontario.
Oh, nice. Like, even the chrome bezels that you've got here, I mean, they're just like brand new.
Even these seal beams,
Yeah.
they're all for GTO seal beams, special seal beams.
Oh, are they really? Just made for the GTO?
Yeah.
Man, oh man. And I do like your, now, are these the indicator lights or are they fog lamps?
Pardon me?
Are they fog lamps? Or
No,
indicator?
just signals.
Oh,
yeah.
signal lights. Okay.
Signal lights, yeah.
And they were always clear. They were never an amber
No.
or orange color or anything
Yeah.
like that. It is lovely. Oh yeah.
Sometimes I need
It's a
it,
bit
sometimes
tight, doesn't it?
Sometimes I don't. See, that's the way.
This is not the original steering wheel, is it?
No, I get tilt. That's a tilt steering. I had that on too. Original, it was just a plastic steering wheel.
Really?
Yeah,
I like this one though.
but that's a tilt one. Like the other one wasn't.
This is not an original radio, is it? The radio, is it original?
No.
Okay.
It was an AM FM. AM radio is the original. That's AM FM.
It's absolutely lovely. Absolutely lovely. And that is 54,000 miles.
That's about original, yeah.
Original miles.
Yeah, that's miles. That's not kilometers.
That's right too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my, it's beautiful though. Very, very sharp, Arthur. Very, very sharp. Oh, it's gorgeous. All right. Well, listen, we've had a chat. We should go for a little drive. All right, Arthur.
I gotta find the keys now.
You put them in a safe place, no doubt.
Yeah, my pocket.
In your pocket, yes. And you got like 15 pockets in those things. But there you go. Let's start her up. So what's the engine size on this thing?
So 400 cubic inch,
Okay.
350 horsepower.
Wow.
But it's actually a little more than 350 because I had it all rebuilt,
Got it.
bored out, everything
Yes,
else.
yes. Oh, it sounds good. And your tilt steering is a good idea.
Well, that's I put that in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
It
easy
helps.
to get in and out. My age,
Oh, your age. You're a young man. How old are you now?
78.
Oh, good Lord, man. You don't look it. So good for you. Good for you.
I feel it.
Me too sometimes. All right. Oh, I do like that tachometer of yours.
Yeah,
Oh, that is just a nice touch.
it's nice to have because this speedometer is all miles. So you go on the highway, you have no idea what speed you're doing
True.
unless you add so many kilometers on the tachometer.
It's too much math, isn't it? Oh, wow. It's like you're cruising in style, Arthur.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. You do get a lot of attention in this thing.
Oh yeah.
It's
yeah,
a bit of a babe magnet, if I may say so myself.
I mean, yeah, I get a lot of
a lot of attention
attention for sure.
from the young girls too, there, Arthur.
I try to. I try to.
I bet you do. They're all after your car, sir.
Yeah. By me?
I said they're all after your car.
Yeah. They certainly aren't after me.
Oh my God, Arthur.
She rides
It
nice
is
too.
beautiful. And it's lovely and stable as well.
Yeah.
So smooth. So
Yeah, she
Arthur,
steered nice.
yes, look at that. What was the very first car you ever bought?
53 Chev.
Really? Four-door sedan? or
Four-door sedan.
Four-door sedan. What color was that? Do you remember?
That was a blue color.
That was blue. Okay. One of those light blue ones or?
Dark blue. Yeah.
Okay. Lovely car.
Gotta move out if you want, you know.
Oh my, you can. Whoa, Arthur. Now that makes you feel young. Come on, admit it.
Yeah.
Wow. You cannot beat the raw power of a
It's
big
got lots of
engine
power,
like
yeah.
this. Oh my. And also the simplicity. I see you've got the button there for your power roof.
Yeah, the
It's
clock
clearly
works.
marked up, down, and that's the top. So that's easy. Very cool. How about that?
Let's see.
Oh my. That never gets tiring, does it?
Yeah. I gotta figure where I am.
Oh yeah, look. We've got to make a turn. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, she's got lots of power.
She's got lots of... Arthur, I gotta say thank you, sir. Thank you for joining me today. We are here at the Mohawk racetrack, and you've brought this absolutely beautiful GTO. You've had it for so many years, and I know she's part of your life now, and you're not gonna part with it. But again, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for sharing this beautiful car.
You're very welcome.